Bless.
Climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking.
I climb every mountain.
My heart gets weak. I need you now.
God.
If I could turn back the clock and make sure the light defeated the dark, and spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you, fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I
Uplift.
need you
Uplift.
to
Uplift. 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 Blessing. God know these little girl, these little angel by the Almighty move NEWLINK people. This video was sent to NEWLINK by one of my fans people, you understand, and before they send this video they asked NEWLINK, you know, have me and my family have a song we do together and they don't know if they'd like to listen to it. And I said, okay, no problem, because that's how NEWLINK go people. And when I take it and I listen to people, to be honest, my eyes full with tears the first time I listen to these little young girls singing. Their voice so beautiful, you know what I mean? And the way they deliver and they feel, yo, honestly, yo, in these times right now, people, this is what family should be doing. Come together as one, team up as one. You know what I mean? The negativity, the envious, the grudge, the bad mind, the wall heap of something if you put aside, people. This is what we need in time like this. We need to move mountains. So you don't know, people, they say they're gonna do some more videos and send to NEWLINK, and once they do any more video, people, I'm willing to share it. You know, God know they are blessed. You don't know, people, further on maybe they will give me some contact. Anybody want to reach out to these persons, you know, these young ladies and sisters and everybody, you can, you know, NEWLINK will definitely pass it on. So you don't know the thing of people, enough love, enough respect, and attack them, NEWLINK. So that stay blessed. Peace out.